to my channel. Today I am going to make green banana kebab with tomato chutney. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 7 green bananas, 1 onion and 1 potato. And this is susut. 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon jeera, half teaspoon methi, and 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of crushed chilies. Salt to taste, 1/3 cup of gram flour, 2 cup corn flake, which you will have to crush it, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half tablespoon of ginger, and half tablespoon of garlic. You need half lemon to make juice, and coriander leaves, green chilies 3, and green shallot leaves. I'm steaming the green bananas with the potato. It's easy to peel it. Now I'm going to crush all this methi seed with the jeera and with the pepper to make it powder to add when the banana is done. You have to change color, then it's done. So I'm going to take it out and cool it before I peel. I'm going to peel the bananas now with the potato. I'm going to peel the potato. Dice it in pieces to put it in the machine to liquidize it. You have to leave this because the taste is in this peel when you don't have to take it out. I'm going to liquidize the banana and the potato together. Have to add in little oil, just a little round here. This is the texture. It must be crushed like this, and it's be sticky. You don't have to worry because I put add in with the potato. That's why. See? It's done well. I'm going to peel this to grind it, liquidize it, and mix it with this mixture. Mixing the susut in the banana. I'm going to mix this half lemon in this mixture. There you go. And I'm adding in the powdered spice, the pepper, jeera, chilies, crushed chilies, masala and the hardi, garlic and ginger, salt to taste, adding in the onion. Taste. I'm chopping the greens. You don't have to have it very fine, as long as it will look nice on the kebab. I'm going to crush this cornflake to add it in the mixture. I'm adding it in that. Add half in it. adding in the chana flour. Take a little like this. You roll it with the hand, nice and tight it be. Then you add it in the cornflake. Now I'm going to prepare for the chutney for the kebab, banana kebab. This is what I'm going to use. 3 of this medium tomato. I will liquidize it. Plus I'll use this one. 50 gram tomato paste. Half tablespoon garlic. Half tablespoon ginger. 3 green chilies. And that onions, I'm going to dice it for the chutney. Liquidize 3 medium tomato. You have to dice your onions very small. The onion must be finely chopped like this. Adding in the onion to the oil. Then I add in the garlic and ginger. I break the green chilies in half. Low heat, you fry the onion with the chilies. A teaspoon of salt. I am adding in the tomato paste. I'm done with the chutney. It's cooking low heat. Number 3. I'll fry the kebab while the chutney gets done. I got medium heat to fry the kebab. You fry it when it's crispy on the top, till it's crispy on the top. So the tomato is done now. I'll add in the greens and let it cool down. I'm adding in the chutney on the kebab like this. And it will taste very, very nice. If you want, you can eat it plain, or you add your chutney in that kebab like this. And if it's too sour, you can add in a pinch of sugar. Thank you for watching.